application for grant of anticipatory bail.
Yes.
The prosecutor, Malad, is married, Malad, aged about 23 years and has a 4-year-old son.
Yes.
The applicant, Malad, is unmarried. And I'll point out, Malad, page 14, 1-4.
1/4. Yes.
केस डायरी के अवलोकन से दर्शित हो रहा है कि
चलिए उतरने देखते हैं.
जी लॉर्ड, ये लॉर्डशिप में सी शादी करने का आश्वासन देकर 30/11/24 को साईं बजरंग एवं 25/1/25 को द करण और अन्य स्थानों पर मिला और पीड़िता के साथ शारीरिक संबंध स्थापित किए. प्रमोद विश्वकर्मा मुझे शादी करने से मना कर दिया. नाउ लॉर्डशिप में सी, in fact, my lord, she was having an estranged relationship, my lord, with her husband. FIR, my lord, is lodged on 1/7/2025. Date of FIR, my lord, is 1/7/25.
Yes.
And your lordship, may have page 19. The brother of the present applicant, my lord, submitted a complaint, my lord, on 28/6/2025 at page 19. Prior to the FIR, my lord, because she was completely, my lord, harassing them. And my lord, the contents are very important. She is still, my lord, married, my lord, to her husband, my lord. There is no decree of divorce and there is no separation which has been filed. ये दृष्टि विश्वकर्मा द्वारा मेरे भाई का फेसबुक पर संपर्क आने से एक दूसरे दोस्त बने, जिससे ये लोग आपस में बातचीत करने लगे. सॉरी my lord, I used her name. शादीशुदा होकर एक बच्चे की मां है. पति के द्वारा दृष्टि सचन विवाह संबंध खत्म करने के न्याय में केस लगा रखा. यह कि दिनांक 8/6/25 को मेरे भाई की शादी का संबंध मेरे द्वारा निश्चित कर दिया. इसी दिनांक को मेरे पास सचन सच फोन आया कि आपने किससे पूछकर मेरे भाई का विवाह संबंध तय किया. विवाह संबंध को समाप्त करो. यदि आपके द्वारा विवाह
हमने पढ़ लिया
वो पूरा आगे करके सर वो सारी चीजें और दोस्ती और उसकी बात करी. सर इसमें एक और चीज अगर आप सर उसमें चलेंगे पेज 20.
सिर्फ दोस्ती थी. इसी दौरान मेरे भाई ने मुझे विश्वास दिलाया कि मेरी कोई गलती नहीं, आप चाहें तो उसके द्वारा व्हाट्सएप पर उसके पति के बीच बातचीत. मतलब द कॉन्वर्सेशन which happened between the prosecutrix and her husband was forwarded by the prosecutrix to the present applicant. And that your lordship would see from page 21, and this is what was submitted. सारे screenshots he submitted to the police. And your lordship may see what the husband is listed at page 21. ठीक. Page 21. Sir, ये जो WhatsApp conversation the prosecutrix had with her husband, because the husband confronted her saying that you are having this kind of illicit relationship with the present applicant. So husband confronted her. और वो screenshots पूरे भेजे. We submitted all those screenshots prior to the FIR to the police authorities. मतलब we see those.
पेज 21.
यस देखिए.
वो बीच में देखेंगे कि कोई गलती नहीं है, उसने कुछ नहीं किया है, मैं उससे पीछे पड़ी हुई थी. एंड देन मलॉर्ड शी सेज क्रक्स मलॉर्ड दीस ऑल मलॉर्ड कन्वर्सेशंस आई फाइल मलॉर्ड along with मलॉर्ड the 63 certificate at page 24. And all the crux of the entire thing is while she was speaking mlord to her husband, where husband mlord was alleging mlord all sort of mlord moral turpitude mlord on the prosecutrix. She said that she was the person mlord who was insisting that she wants to settle down with the present applicant and he was not at fault. The detailed conversations were also there on record. Now, Lordship may see the most recent judgment, Milord Amol Bhagwan Singh, the Supreme Court on the point, Milord, where Milord, if it's Milord paragraph 8, your Lordship may kindly see. And based on this, Milord, there are 3 orders passed by this court. Milord, this is Milord where the FIR was caused by the Supreme Court. Para 8. Even if the allegations in the FIR are taken as true and correct, it does not appear that consent of the applicant was obtained against her will and merely an assurance to marry.
पैरा नंबर 8
Page-
नहीं पेज 8
सर पैरा 8 है, पेज 7.
7.
जी सर, ये जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ऑब्जर्वेशन स्टार्ट करी पैरा 8 में, even if the allegations in the FIR taken as true and correct, depiction of circumstance, it does not appear that from the record that consent of the complainant was obtained against her will and merely an assurance to marry. The applicant and complainant were acquainted since such and she herself admits that they interacted frequently and fell in love, engaged in physical activity alleging such and such. और ये रिलेशनशिप 12 महीने चला. सर पैरा 2, the consent of complainant as defined under 90 also cannot said to have been obtained under misconception of fact. There is no material to substantiate inducement or misrepresentation on the part of the applicant to secure consent. Investigation has also revealed that Khulanama was executed on 29/12/2022 with the complainant respondent number 2 had obtained from her ex-husband. During this time, the parties were already in a relationship and the alleged incident had already taken place. It is inconceivable that the complainant had engaged in physical relationship with the applicant on the assurance of marriage while she was already married to someone else. Even otherwise, such promise to begin with was illegal and unenforceable qua the applicant. So, sir, she was in an adulterous relationship here also. और सर इसके बेसिस पे मलॉर्ड में सी पैरा डी की शी वाज मलॉर्ड प्रोलॉन्ग फिजिकल रिलेशनशिप था. पैरा 9 and 10. Considering all this, your lordship may kindly see para 9. In our considered view, this is also not a case where there was a false promise to marry to begin with. A consensual relationship turning sour or param partners becoming distant cannot be a ground for invoking criminal machinery of the state. Sir, similar is the view taken, sir, ये मध्य प्रदेश से गया था, sir, X versus state of मध्य प्रदेश, और सर ये WhatsApp conversations to what extent that can be looked into. सर ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट में पारा 26 में था, इस सर recent judgments है 2024-25 के, where Supreme Court said that these are all realities of law or what
conversations or these things have to be looked into. So para 26 में इसमें para 2 और 9 इसमें भी FIR Supreme Court ने cause करी, sir, travel from our honorable High Court only, saying that these cannot be the cases of false. So para 9, if your lordship may kindly see. Again, this was a case. So para 9, similar issue was considered by this court in Naeem Ahmed, almost identical fact where prosecuting herself was already a married woman having 3 children. The complaint of alleged rape on false promise of marriage was made 5 years after they had started relationship. She even got pregnant, sir, उसके बाद फिर होगा para 21 also. So my lord, it is very clear that someone who's already married, sir, next page para 21 में, in the incident case, prosecuted who herself was a married woman having 3 children could not have been said acted under alleged false promise given by the appellant or undue under the misconception of file by giving the consent to have sexual relationship with the
तो
appellant.
देख लिया और सही
ठीक सर, और ये सब ये हमारे और आपका भी है, सब कुछ ऑर्डिनेट बेंचेस के ऑर्डर है, सब एंटिसिपेटरी बेस्ड ऑन मतलब ये बालिक केशवनाथ और सर ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जो जजमेंट है अमोल भगवान ने, सर ये 3-4 ऑर्डिनेट.
चलिए आप बताइए.
मतलब इसमें जो 183 है उसकी लास्ट 4 लाइन्स, अप्रैल 25 को मैंने अपने पति से तलाक के लिए कार्यवाही आरंभ की. मेरे पति प्रमोद के बारे में पता है.
लेकिन अभी
दिनांक-
तो उसका अभी तो वो डाइवोर्स हुआ नहीं.
नहीं की तो उसके विश्वकर्मा ने मुझे शादी करने से मना कर दिया. जैसे ही मैंने पहले उसने प्रॉमिस किया तो उसने डिवोर्स के लिए प्रोसेस स्टार्ट किए. इसने मना कर दिया कि मेरी शादी कहीं और हो रही है, जिस कारण उसने
ये मैरिड थी, इसका तो वो तो हुआ नहीं.
कोई ऑब्जेक्ट को नहीं.
Learned counsel for the applicant submitted that Pasutix was a married lady having one son aged 4 years. There was a dispute between the Pasutix and her husband. It is further submitted that Pasutix, when this fact, Pasutix is consenting party. When this fact came into the knowledge of the husband of the prosecutors and husband of the prosecutors, when disputed, उसके साथ उसके हस्बैंड के साथ प्रेजेंट एप्लीकेशन के साथ उसके हस्बैंड ने क्या किया?
सर जो
कुछ नहीं.
सर प्रोसिक्यूटरीज की जो अपने हस्बैंड से जो बात हुई है वो प्रोसिक्यूटरीज ने प्रेजेंट एप्लीकेंट को शेयर करी. दिस इज द कन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ where she is saying that
Present prosecutors had sent the conversation with her husband on the WhatsApp chat of the present applicant, which reveals that she herself is willing to maintain the relation with the present applicant. It is further submitted that before registration of FIR, brother of the applicant has made a complaint to the SHO police station in Vada. It is also submitted that there is no need of custodial into this. In that regard, he placed a ransom judgment collectively. Learned counsel for the state oppose the bail application. Looking to the fact. और कोई इसका रिकॉर्ड वगैरह तो नहीं?
मतलब 23, 24 एंड 25
डायरी नहीं है.